Hello guys, as you can see by the title of the video, today I'm showing you guys that Walmart sells Versagel. Like, ain't that crazy? So as you can see, I just tapped on my Walmart app. If you don't have the app, you can log into your Safari and just type in walmart.com, and once you get to walmart.com, you just hit the search bar and you will see that I typed in Versagel, and you see all the different types of Versagel that they have. And they also have squeeze tubes and wand tubes, y'all. So if you are just starting your lip gloss business, make sure you guys, you can now check out Walmart. I know when I started my lip gloss business, Walmart did not sell anything with lip gloss. So as you can see, the wand tubes were like 30, and then the squeeze tubes were like 20 tubes. So, and it also tells you exactly how many tubes and what size tubes, how many you can make with that one pack of Versagel. Now, all this stuff with the legal disclaimer and stuff like that, y'all, I'm not really sure if some of this, like, I wish I did a comparison of the things that they had versus what tkbtrading.com puts in their little bio of the products or whatever. But as you can see, most of them are like 4.3 ounces, and they do have the big bucket as well. It's a lot cheaper than TKB Trading, but I don't know what this color changing Versagel, I don't know what that is. I don't know if you can use it like clear gloss or whatever, or do you have to have like a pigment? But if you guys want me to purchase some of this and give you a review on it, just comment down below and I'll be able to do that. So yeah, it's like Walmart is really selling Versagel, and you see it's like $10.99, way cheaper than TKB Trading. This one does not have any reviews yet, so I'm wondering if anybody really knows that Walmart is selling Versagel. But yeah, this one, as you can see, says that it was the same process or the same company as TKB Trading. I might have scrolled too fast. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think about Walmart now selling Versagel. And just so you guys know, you cannot walk into Walmart and get the Versagel. It has to be purchased online, and that bucket is $108. And you seen at the top it said free shipping, so that's good. 6-pound bucket. Yeah, a lot of that stuff, y'all, I'm not really sure what it was saying. Mineral oil can be affectionate to the skin, plemishing. I have no idea. But it looks like some of the same ingredients that were used are used in the TKB Trading Versagel. So you see it goes from $8.99 all the way up until $108, and it's different vendors who are selling it. So this one looks like more you can use it if you want to make like a lipstick. But you see where it says color A? I'm not really sure what that is. Yeah, see, that one is for lipstick. At the top you can see it says personalized for lipstick, so I'm guessing that one wouldn't be good for a lip gloss. And now you see where it has the 30 lip gloss tubes, 10 milliliter with rose gold lot. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe and comment down below.